Your comments regarding the videos are motivation for me. These comments encourage me to create more and more about the Google Sheets, and rather uh, on all technological aspects or all technological subjects as far as Google education is concerned. So we have been discussing, we look up index and match, ISNA, array formula. So many functions of Google Sheets I have discussed in my past videos, and this time also, uh, as I discussed a scenario to find the defaulters of the project. This last time I discussed it with the filter, ISNA and match. Then I discussed it with ISNA and VLOOKUP, and this time I am going to discuss the same with ISNA and match, and of course if. So let's move to our Google Sheet and how to do this or how to perform this task. We'll learn and we'll see how to do it. So let's move to our Google Sheets. So I'm here in the Google Sheet. As there are two sheets. One is the form response. So this is admission number. On the basis of this admission number, we get to know how many students have submitted the projects, and this is the entire list of my school. These are the students. So I'll apply the formula here to find out the defaulters. So the whosoever are in this list means these admission numbers. These admission numbers are those students who have submitted the project, whereas this is my complete list. So I will have to find out of this list who are the students who have not submitted the projects yet. So let's do it. For that, equal if ISNA match. I want to search this list, I mean these admission numbers, which is my list of the students, total number of students, and will match them in my this sheet where the students are entering that we have submitted the project. So this is the list of the admission number. On the basis of that, I'll try to find out. C2, this is my range, comma, exact match. If this gives, if they are the defaulters, is not available, it will say true, otherwise it will say false. So while matching the students who are not available, then I'll say yes. Otherwise, I'll say no. this is match, and yes. So this way I apply this function means find out the value whether available or not. If not available means this cell matching on this is not available, it means it's true. Means is not available is true, means this is the defaulter. So I am going to print this masses. If this is true, then it will print yes in the defaulter column. Otherwise, it will print no in the defaulter column. Okay, so let's see what does it give. Let's see, it is showing no. And if I want to apply this function in all of the cells in the same column, D column, I'll have to either I have to copy this formula from this cell and paste it in rest of the cells, or I might use the array formula. Then how to apply array formula? Simply press shift control and enter. Shift control and enter. And this way the entire formula is extended up to the last cell of the column. See here. Okay. And if you see here, like 14788 is it is the defaulter, but 15702 it's not the defaulter. Let me check. So here this is 15702 is not a defaulter because he is available here. So how do you like? So there are many options or many techniques by which you can uh, perform your task and find out the solution. So this is not, there is not only one solution or one formula that suffice or fulfill your fulfills your task. So there could be many alternatives of one function. So here this way I try to use only ISNA, match and if only. By using these Google Sheets function, I try to evaluate or perform the task of finding the defaulters of the projects. So this is how we can find out the defaulters, and we can apply the formula like if ISNA match, and if this and this, if match, then it means they are not the defaulters. If not matched, if not available, it means if available, ISN means is not available, means they are the defaulters, otherwise not the defaulters. So how do you like it? If you like it, kindly share and subscribe. And if you have if you have not started commenting my videos, kindly start commenting on my videos so that it gives the motivation and to create new videos with new techniques. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.